Labels in Trello are an excellent way to visually categorize and organize your cards, making it easier to filter and identify tasks at a glance. Here's how to use labels effectively. Add labels to cards. Open the card you want to label. Click the Labels button on the card menu or press the L key as a shortcut. Choose a color from the available options or click Create a new label to assign a custom name and color for better clarity. Once selected, the label will appear as a colored bar on the card. Filter by labels. To quickly view cards with a specific label, click Filter Cards on the board menu or press the F key. Select the labels you want to filter, and Trello will display only the cards with those labels. Use labels strategically. Assign labels to denote priorities. Categorize tasks by departments, projects, or task types. Combine multiple labels on a card to indicate overlapping categories. Edit or remove labels. Open the card, click Labels, and deselect or edit the label as needed.